Welcome to the Scaringi Law Lunch Break. This is your time of the day to learn a little bit about the law while you enjoy your lunch. In previous episodes, we talked about the Pennsylvania State Police seizure of various skill-based video terminals in Pennsylvania. There was a court action. A temporary injunction was put in place stopping the state police from doing so. However, that court order has now been rescinded. And as a result, state police continue with the seizure of skill-based video terminal games in Pennsylvania. Last month, Commonwealth Court Judge Ellen Seizure lifted a temporary ban that had been issued against Pennsylvania State Police's efforts at seizing skill-based video terminal games. That court decision meant that law enforcement could resume seizing these machines. As a result, according to Penn Live, the Harrisburg Patriot News, state police and liquor control enforcement officers confiscated a total of 71 gambling machines, including 65 video gambling devices, from 17 licensed liquor establishments between January 22nd and February 25th of this year. Those seizures include gambling devices marketed as skill machines. Along with the machines, more than $115,000 was also seized. It's important to note what the commissioner of the state police, or what the state police are saying. Illegal, unregulated gambling is a serious and growing problem facing the Commonwealth, with video gambling devices spreading beyond licensed liquor establishments into convenience stores, malls, and restaurants. That's according to Captain Jeffrey Rainier, acting director of the Pennsylvania State Police Bureau of Liquor Control Enforcement. So far in 2020, gambling machine seizures have been reported from every BLCE, that's the State Police's Liquor Control Enforcement section, from every office in counties from Erie to Philadelphia. Now, these games are frequently found in local taverns, restaurants, and social clubs. Most, if not all, of these enterprises hold liquor licenses issued by the Pennsylvania Liquor Control Board. Many of these establishments rely on the revenues collected from these games to continue operations. Without these funds, many of the venues will be forced to pass on to consumers the loss of these revenues through higher prices. The judge did not rule on the question, which is if the operation of these games is illegal or legal. That underlying question is still before the Commonwealth Court to be decided at a later date. But keep in mind, the Pennsylvania State Police believes that they are illegal, which is why they're going around Pennsylvania seizing them, and they have made arrests in addition to the seizures of these terminals. Should the court ultimately decide that these games are illegal, then the operators of these establishments could face criminal charges under the Crimes Code, as well as citation actions under the Liquor Code. Gambling citations are considered major infractions by the Office of Administrative Law Judge, as well as the Pennsylvania Liquor Control Board's Bureau of Licensing. And it's the Bureau in the ALJ, the Administrative Law Judge, who will be issuing citations and ruling on those citations for liquor licensees. The maximum fine for an adjudicated gambling citation under the Liquor Code is $5,000 per count, so it's pretty steep. Also, the Bureau of Licensing can use an adjudication of a gambling citation as a reason to not renew a liquor license at renewal time, and that is a big problem for a liquor licensee. If you hold a liquor license and either have these video terminal games in your establishment or are considering placing these games in your establishment, you should seek guidance from one of Scaringi Law's gaming and liquor attorneys here at Scaringi Law at 717-657-7770. We have many years out there representing liquor licensees involved in every type of citation, renewal, non-renewal, or matter affecting their licensed business. So feel free to call us or check us out on our website at scaringilaw.com. Well, that's about all the time we have today for the Scaringi Law Lunch Break. I hope you learned a little bit about the law. Thanks for listening and enjoy your lunch.